Here we have our standard fan display. It's already cloudy in this day. We'll show you the week. So we're in Philippines right now. But maybe we can still hear. The brand new. Okay, maybe we have this Shenkyu Oi. This is a bit wobbly, bro. Differently, this would be a bit wobblier. An old fan that assembled in last week. Standardly. Oh, maybe please be painful here in our fans. This one's getting fast. He's used to make it. Let's go make it in low speed. Yeah, maybe their speed is just this one's slower than this.
Ganito kaya ni Zed? Mga ganito.
Yeah. Go down. Go down. Go down. Get down. Get down. Try to jump there. Try to jump there. You can't jump there. Hey, welcome to the bracelet store. The bracelet store is what you're... Here, we still have the other one. Oh, that's really hard here. Here we go. We still have another color here, but it's white. The blades are just wood here. But maybe here is the access to do it. Still working. Or maybe we'll have to turn on this in standard display.
AJJ lang, AJJ. Ngayon lang, hindi kay JJ.
JJ yung event na siya yung namin.
Ay, 100 ka lang.
Okay ka talaga.
100 ka lang daw, Jay. Kaya lang, Jay.
Markova, ikaw ang
30 pesos ang nakonsume.
Ikaw ang
Baka sa inyo,
pinaka-gay.
kung na yung gumawa ng solid. Solid.
Of course, it's too slow.
What is this?
From the bead itself,
From the beach. The beaching?
Patigit naman yun eh.
Saan ba kasama ni Jen? Saan ba kasama?
Dito.
Wala akong gagalaw ng table.
Ano ba?
Miss ko na si Amy.
Dito.
May dalawang klase siya eh. Parang ito.
Excuse me. Maybe your phone may be corrupted.
Your phone corrupted.
Why is it corrupted? The system. The system of this exe.
Oh. Pero 6 versions. Ito ba ba?
Are you sure it's something sold? Maybe. At
Iyon no, wala pa rin tayong tray.
ikaw ang pinaka-OA talaga.
Sino ba leader dun?
Si JD. Kaya lumad din ako. Okay, yung ginawa ko ba?
What's a
Pag yung ginawa ko,
Tira mo na lang.
video ko lang ay.
Ala.
Talaga ka.
Wala na wala.
Kung gagawin ko. Hindi ko to kaya.
Swish na daw, sweet.
Ganito na ito. Na-bracelet lang talaga ako.
But we had a third floor in our house.
Okay, ito na. Ayan.
House.
Dalawa. Mamaya, gawa-gawa mo na din.
Uy, Josh, pakabit nga nito. Dito sa gitna. Yung malaki na.
Hindi mo
Kakabit ko lang.
No.
Pag ano yata yan eh, yung mga
Pag walang ganito, no?
Oo. Tapos yung parang mga ganyan, yung very
Ano
easy
ba
ganyan.
sa pala?
I-gunto.
Ay, mati.
Pero ano, pink?
Pag gumawa tayo, game
Ang daming ganun na.
So, tapos na.
You're really smooth.
Paglaban na ako medyo.
Here we have these ceiling fans here. The 52-inch Shingloi. What's making the meter is just almost big. It would be. We got this tough mama. Electrical experimental object. Let's turn it on. Oh, is it a fan? Oh.
May thread.
Electric fan. Okay, here we go. It's now on shut off. Heat maybe. On the stove.
Oo, parang walang point pa.
Wala tayong magagawa.
And then
Kaya ito na gawin mo.
Ayoko. Ayoko. Ayun na lang to. Isang braso na. Payalan ko na para sa tayo pa. Bakit tayo sa photoshoot?
wait.
Sa photoshoot natin yung mga...
Oh! Oh! Oh my gosh! Ladies and
Kasi, kuha mo na
gentlemen.
yung photo box, ayos yun.
Ladies and gentlemen. Just kidding.
Wala ko yung point.
Oh my God.
Isa na sino ba yun ah?
He scratched me.
Wala daw si MJ talaga.
Di parang po, 10.5.
Okay, recommended. I will move. This one.
Pupunta
Ah.
Pupunta
Ay,
ka.
on
Hindi, wala na
Igzy,
daw.
Igzy. Ah!
So, galing, ito galing. Teka.
Ah, it's here.
Ay, galing.
Of course.
Wow, tayo po na.
Let's put this on high.
Wow.
Music.
Tatlong dito.
27.
Ay, volleyball?
Ano sa likod yan? Tignan, parang dito.
Ano na doon dito? Alas na yan eh.
Hindi, pagkagawa natin.
Hindi, bottom na naman. Ganito at may killer. Killer. Ah? Thank you. Ah, what's that? Okay, about
Clear to body.
Ganyan pala yun.
This is the end of the video.